Good morning, kids. We are learning lesson number 6, Advanced PowerPoint 2007. So far, we have studied how to add different themes, how to add photo album, how to add custom animation, how to add charts. Today, we are going to study about how to insert tables. Let's start. What is table first? When data is represented in the form of rows and columns, then it makes tables. So when rows and columns we draw, it makes table. Let's see how to draw it. Follow these steps to insert a table in a presentation. First, go to Insert tab, then Table Group, then Table drop down list, and from there you can insert table directly. Once you add a table in your slide, there are two new tabs appear in the ribbon, design and layout. So you can change design and layout also of table. So let's see how to do it. First, you will need a PowerPoint 2007. Then let's add. We'll take we'll take design of different. Let's say we'll take this one. Okay. Now let's add something. Some table. How to add it? Go to Insert tab. Go to Insert tab. So once you go to Insert tab, there you will find this tables. So from that, click on this. Either you can select columns and this directly, okay, or you can do Insert table. So this you can see, you can select 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 rows, whatever you want, or simply Insert table. Here you can adjust. Let's say I want 6 columns and I want let's say 3 rows. How can I do it? Okay, see, I got the table, 6 columns and 3 rows. Now I can modify it also. Once you get this table, once you click on this table, see, here are 2 tabs you get: Design tab and Layout tab. From Design tab and Layout tab, you can change color, you can change the type of it. Let's see, I want to make it green, so, or let's say this green, I will make it, I want green, so let's say this green. Shading also you can do. So shading, for shading, different slides, different cells of the table. Now you got the Layout tab. In Layout tab you can adjust the settings. If you want to add any row or column, you can do that from here. That if you want to delete any row or column, let's say you want to delete any row or column, you can delete column. So I'm deleting one column, so one column is deleted. Can you see this? You can add, you can insert new row, new column. You can adjust height. So let's say I want more height for my table, so I'll just simply increase it. See, then for this I want bigger height, so I'm increasing it. Here, this row also I want bigger, so I'm increasing it. So this is how you can increase table height also. From Design and Layout tab, you can design your table, you can make it colorful, and you can adjust the columns, add columns, subtract columns, delete columns, etc. Okay, there are few more styles. Whatever style you like, you can take it. Let's say now I want to have this kind of slide, so let's say I'm taking this one. So this is how you can make table in and straight away you can add your subjects like English. Okay, you can add your subjects, you can add, let's say I will take this blue one, I am adding English, here I am adding, let's say I want to add Hindi, then science, and so on. This is how you can make table. Okay, now let's move further and let's learn how to create hyperlink. Now, what is this hyperlink? So hyperlinks create a link in the slide, a web page, or an email, or any other program. Means you can create a link. If you click on that link, you can open your word page, whatever word page you like to add, or once you click on that link, whatever web page you like to add. If you click on that link, let's say you want to open one video or something, you can link anything. You can link by using this hyperlink option. How to do it? Go to insert tab, link group, hyperlink option. For example, I will show you this link. See, this IT notes, this is the link. This is the link. If you click on it, word page will open. See this. You know? So this link, where we find this link, it was inside the presentation, our presentation only. So we just click on it and we got the word file, whatever word file we wanted. So this is how we can link word file, web page, Excel file with this PowerPoint presentation. Okay, how to do it? Let's check this out. So after this table, let's say I want to add link. So I'm going to insert. You can see in this link group there are two options, hyperlink and action. We want this hyperlink, so I'm clicking on hyperlink. Okay, now they are asking us to browse, so I don't want documents. I will go to I'll go to bio. Let's say I want to, or I want this picture file. So the link will appear here. Can you see? Okay, link appear here. So you can either add whatever link. Let's say I want link to be bottom of the page. It's to be at the bottom of the page. Now what I'm doing, I'm clicking here, insert, I'm going to hyperlink. Okay, first let's do it on another this. Okay, so click here, I'm clicking here, go to insert tab, hyperlink option, and I want this good morning document, this PDF file should be there. So once I click on this PDF file, now this PDF file will appear when I will click it. So for that I need to start animation. So see this link we have made, insert hyperlink. When we click on it, that good morning picture will appear. It is taking time. Yes, here it is. Okay, so here is this document that I have, PDF file. So I open this PDF file. It was in good morning folder, so that's why it was changed. I will show you again. So what does it say? It is in desktop, good morning folder, and PDF file. So this is how we can add any document. You can add Word file. I will show you one more time how to add Word file in it. So again, go to one new slide. Okay, I will take one more slide. Okay, then I'll go to design tab, insert tab. I'll need a new slide for this. Then I'll go to I'll go to insert tab, and then I want, okay, from here directly you can select yeah, desktop, let's say bio. I want IT6, IT notes will open. So this is homework, okay, or IT notes are there, so I will link it with this presentation. Okay, so when we will play the, okay, see this, when we'll do this animation, see this IT notes, when we click on it, Microsoft Office, yes, see, understood? This is how you can link anything, any Word document, PDF document with PowerPoint presentation. Now let's go to the last part, and that is reusing slide. Sometimes you require data from an already saved presentation. In such a case, you can reuse the slides in existing presentation. For that, you need to click on Home tab, Slide Group, Reuse Slide. So let's check this out, how to reuse slide. Okay, so I'm going to this presentation only, which was our previous presentation. Okay, and I want to add a new slide here. Okay, so this is our presentation. At the end of it, I want to reuse some slides. So what I can do, after this slide, I will go to Home tab, then New Slide. Can you see this New Slide? Right? If you click it here, New Slides, here they will show reuse slides. So I am reusing some slides. So for that, again you have to browse, browse file. Okay, go to desktop. There is IT, yeah, IT. Now I'll open this. Okay, now I want this Nipper bones to be here, so I click on it. See, I got the Nipper bone slide. So I have added one old slide into my new presentation. If I want this vacuum tubes also, I can add it. See, I reuse these two slides. So today what we have learned to insert table. Go to insert tab, table. We have learned go to insert tab, and we have learned that go to insert tab and add hyperlink. Go to insert tab, add hyperlink, and we have learned that go to Home tab and how to reuse slide. For that, New Slide and Reuse Slide. Okay, hope you have understood how to reuse slide. Click on Home tab, Slide Group, and Reuse Slide. Thank you so much.